Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to look at the best Shopify apps for new store owners, the tools that can help you grow faster and make more sales from day one. So first, why do Shopify apps matter? Well, Shopify gives you the basics, but apps add powerful features like marketing, reviews, and automation that help your store perform better. In fact, most successful stores rely on apps to scale and improve conversions. Let's start with email marketing. One of the best apps for this is Klaviyo. It helps you send automated emails like welcome messages, abandoned cart reminders, and follow-ups. These flows can run automatically and bring in consistent sales. Next, let's talk about building trust. Apps like Loox or Review allow you to collect and display customer reviews. This is very important, especially for new stores, because reviews act as social proof and help convince people to buy. Now for design and customization. Page builder apps like PageFly let you create professional-looking pages without coding. This helps improve your store's look and increase conversion rates. Another powerful tool is upsell apps like ReConvert. These apps allow you to offer additional products right after a customer makes a purchase, helping you increase your average order value. You should also consider SEO apps. These help optimize your store for Google by improving things like page speed, meta tags, and image optimization. And finally, don't forget customer support apps like live chat or AI chatbots. These help you respond to customers quickly and improve their experience. Overall, the right apps can save you time, increase sales, and help your store grow much faster. So if you're just starting your Shopify store, make sure you install the right tools from the beginning. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.